Hey everybody, Ken Birdsall here at Sunnyside Chevrolet. I want to give you a more in-depth look at the same truck we talked about. If you want a shorter look, just check out that link in the top right hand corner there. But this one's going to go a little bit more in-depth, show you some of the intricacies of what's going on this truck. And again, this is a 2018 Silverado 2500. That's your 3/4 ton. These are your workhorses. They're great. There's not really necessarily your everyday driver, though it could be. It is a work truck level, so with a snow plow prep package, this thing is designed for putting a plow on that front and or whatever else you need to do to it. But no frills really on this one. A couple little upgrades. We'll go over that here in a second. It's nice Summit white paint there. You notice with those chrome bumpers, that's your, and the black mirror caps, those are your indications on a work truck. Also your 17-inch steel rims. Double cab here, so you can, if you go with the crew cab, it adds about 6 inches to the back end of the cab. Basically just more room for the second row seating. This one is a long bed, so you get the full, as what everybody says, an 8-foot bed there. You can go with the standard bed, that's more common, but if you need more room for towing or for hauling, then this is the truck for you. As we look on the back here, no easy lift gate, that's on your LT and higher, so when you pull that back gate down, don't go too fast or it's gonna drop on you. Spray in bed liner, that is an upgrade. That is not a standard feature. That is an upgrade. You'll see that on the window sticker here in a moment. Backup camera, I do want to highlight that. It's right here, right above the Chevy bow tie. That is standard now on all Silverados, even the work trucks. And you also have your trailer equipment package that's added on here. It does have the automatic locking rear differential. That is standard as well on all work truck, all Silverados on the HDs. You go to the LT and you'll get that wheelhouse liner as well. Kind of cut down on some of the noise and protect it from some of the rust and everything that happens here in Northeast Ohio. Capless fuel design. And we'll take a look at that. If you want to pause here, take a look at some of the safety ratings. I'm going to take a look. This is the MSRP. This is the suggested retail. This is not what the sale price is. Alright, we got a plane going overhead here, but 39 is a normal, just straight if you're getting no frills or upgrades. This one does have a few extra. Biggest thing being the snow plow prep package, spray and bed liner, a couple little upgrades there. They did add the rear window defroster. That is really important if you're going to be plowing snow. You got to be able to see where you're backing up to, and that backup camera is going to help you a bit too. So this bench seat does fold up if you need it to, so if you need more space on the floor for storing some boxes or tools or whatever you got there. Vinyl flooring, easy to keep clean. Manual adjusting side mirrors, but power windows, power locks, and your child safety lock and rear window lock there too. Manual adjusting seats, both driver and passenger. I'm going to take a look at that vinyl flooring. Your 4-wheel shift is on the floor, not up here like you would see on most LTs. Another knob normally like that. Integrated trailer brake controller, automatic headlights there. If you've looked at the LTs, normally you see the buttons behind here for your presets and your volume. That is not on the work truck, but cruise control is now a standard feature. A couple other little things here. We're going to take a look on the inside. Alright, we got playing with the trailer brake controller there. We're going to go out there. Engine hours, you can kind of rotate here to your speed, trip. We need to get some fuel on here. Tire pressure, a little bit off there, but remaining oil life, you can kind of go through everything right there. Kind of a basic instrument panel there. Again, your cruise control, nothing on the right hand side. Again, this is just a work truck, but 7-inch MyLink Radio. You used to get that like little tiny 4.2-inch screen. Not anymore. 7 inches standard. You don't have to pay anything extra for that. Although you'll notice the MSRP is a little bit different, so you're essentially paying for it. Audio, you get AM, FM radio. Sirius XM shows up either as an upgrade or on the LTs. If you want to program a favorite, push and hold till you hear that double beep, and you're all set there. Phone projection, that's your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So you notice there's no navigation, no built-in navigation on here. On the 8-inch MyLink Radio, you start to see options for that, but you can use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right down through here. You'll notice the USB ports that you can plug in, and if you have Android phone, you have to download the app. If you're an iPhone, it's a plug and play, which is really nice. That icon will change, and you tap on that and mirror your GPS, your music apps, all of that right onto the screen. It's really nice and easy. And then your phone, so if you're going to do Bluetooth hands-free, you can. You just don't have the control on the steering wheel. CD player would normally be here. That's on your LT and higher. All your climate controls, traction control, rear bed light, and 12 volt there, and a little storage compartment here. You have your double glove box still, and no OnStar in here. That's gonna either be an upgrade or it's gonna start showing up on the LT, and that would normally be on your mirror here. Your auxiliary light, so if you it's hooked up, it's wired for that's again that snow plow prep package. So if you have an emergency light up top or a flashing light, you can turn it on and off right here, so you can get it all wired up. And then your dome light control and sunglass holder. And that is the work truck, double 2018 Silverado 2500. I want to show you guys underneath the hood here for 1 second. All right, there it is, a 6-liter V8 paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have the option, you can go up to the Duramax diesel. A lot of people like to do that, especially if you're going to be towing or hauling a lot more. But this has 360 horsepower, 380 pound-foot of torque. And with the 410 axle ratio on this truck, gives you about 14,000 pounds of towing capacity and about 9,500 pounds of gross vehicle weight. So whatever you're hauling, you got quite a bit. Just make sure you calculate things properly. Your local dealer should be able to help you with that. If you're in Northeast Ohio, come check me out at Sunnyside Chevrolet in Elyria. If you guys have any questions, give me a call, 440-365-7311. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and you guys have a great weekend.